second letter is from a very lonely guy in Singapore. Dear Ali, I've been in Singapore for 2 years now. Working away from home is very difficult and lonely. But I'm thankful I have my friend Zenly. Whenever I need someone, she's always there to help. When I feel sad, I would call her. We walk for hours, we go to the mall together, watch movie together, and we go to the gym. Zenly makes my life in Singapore very happy.
Sun comes round, good Lord has blessed me well. The day to put my plow to the ground, and to bed when the sun retires.
Ano ginagawa ni Sandy ngayon?
Now by candlelight, but all I see is just this sunny weather and
Saan natin po? Gusto ko excited na. Talaga pumahin yung leche ko. Alam mo, favorite ko.
Ganda ng anniversary, ano?
Oo nga, dami nga umatin.
Hindi kita nakita.
Uy, nandun ako. Ano ba?
Saan
Harap
doon?
pangakipi. Tara na, uwi na tayo.
Ayan na, maaga pa. Ano pa lang, 3:30 pa lang.
Maaga pa ba?
Oo, nakakabor sa bahay eh. Ano, alam mo na, taon na lang tayong sine. Ano ako, may 2 tickets dito. Pwede naman kahit anong sine ko. Let's go.
past Clarksville Station there, down by the river's end. Heard tales from far away. That's where the stars abide, down where the angels lay. But all I see.
I'm really glad that you're here, Sandy. Alam mo yun, yung malungkot dito sa Singapore, pero sobrang saya ko na nandiyan ka, kaibigan ko na I can count on. Alam mo yun, saya-saya ko na pagkasama kita. It really makes my day.
Ako din naman.
You're really special to me, Sandy.
Pero Edward, what is this that we have? Are we just friends? Or do we have more than just friends? Kasi nalilito na talaga ako.
Please don't get me wrong, Sandy. Masaya ako pag nandiyan ka. Ito yung natatakbuhan ko kapag nalulungkot ako. Ito yung lagi kong gustong kasama. Yung, alam mo yun, pagka gusto ko na yayain na lumabas, manonood ng sine, kakain sa labas, mag-gym, magjo-jogging. Alam mo yun, mahal kita bilang kaibigan.
Mahal mo ba ako dahil kailangan mo ko? O kailangan mo ko dahil mahal mo ko? What do we mean to each other? Am I friend, am I lover? Is it over now? That's my question, Aline. We're definitely more than friends, but we're not lovers. How do we differentiate mere friendship from being in love? I don't know. I'm blur already. I like her. I'm happy when I'm with her. I always want to be with her. Does that mean that I love her? Am I longing for her because I love her? Or just because I'm lonely?
All I need is the one I love.